So I'm looking at this car, my Capri next to it, I'm looking at it thinking one day, Wimpy, you'll have the latest GTI. Time to whip off the covers and have a look at this GTI slash half a GTI. Yeah, do it. Yeah, nothing. Absolutely bare. Nice GTI. This should be a whole different ball game. Superb. That fired up straight away. Exciting. Hit the beats. If you imagine you've got like a Lego set with zero instructions, you just pour it out all over the floor and you've got to figure out how to make the picture that's on the box. It's kind of like that, but obviously with a real car. And you know what they say, sun's out, guns out. Not these guns, I ain't packing. These guns. Yeah, because today, I want to do some painting. Lovely baking in the sun, as we say in France, à demain. He does it. Whoa, 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 that's enough. I have two smashed in ones. Let's see if we can make one decent one. Let's plug it in and let's see where we're up to and do it. How'd it go? Result? I have to watch it on the playback. Bosh down a couple of beers. Boom! Yeah! do it. And do it. Front door. Yeah. Hit that subscribe button and join the Wimpy Brotherhood. Do it. Do it! Just do it! But for now, let's just get this door off and start having a proper goosey ganders. Do it. Right, buddy. Yeah, you are just to pass me the old primer, mate. It's just in that can. It's on that shelf there. Do it! Ah. Result, I suppose. Ready? Triumph! Yes! That is not good. So it's time to whip out the Hoover and the old trusty soap bucket and get to work and do it. Yeah, it's busted. Bust. Busted. The massive big bit. Busted. Yeah, feeling a bit wimpy right now. So yeah, time to get cracking, get the beats on. I'm pumped. Let's do it. I can't wait to get this back on, so this deserves just some clicky finger magicness to do it. What do you reckon? Any guesses? Do it. Okay, so here it is, my new quarter panel.
Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Yes, let's go.
And fingers crossed it's turned out alright. I'll see you then. Bonne nuit. Check this out. Yeah, right. Yeah, boy! Wait, I can finally enjoy my first GTI. Let's get some beats on.
I feel good.
Okay then, thanks for that, mate. Peace.